People keep asking me the same question. If AI can write the code, generate tests, create pull requests, explain the logs, and even such as fixes during incidents, is DevOps dead? My answer is no. DevOps is not dead. AI is actually making good DevOps more important. So you have to be very careful, like I'm talking about good DevOps more important, because the hard part was never just writing the code. The hard part is moving the change into the production without breaking the trust. The wrong belief is simple. AI makes developers faster, so delivery automatically gets better. That sounds logical, but it's incomplete. The code does not automatically means more value. You can have more code, but it does not add more values. More pull requests does not automatically mean safer releases. More automation does not automatically means better operations. So definitely AI increase the velocity, but DevOps decides whether that velocity become a progress or chaos. What actually happens is AI changes the input side of the software delivery. It creates the code faster, it generates configuration faster, it can summarize the incidents faster, it can write tests faster, it can draft runbook faster, but faster inputs create pressure on downstream. Your pipeline, your review process, your environment, your security gate, your observability now have to be, to absorb more of these changes. Before AI, many teams were limited by how fast human could produce changes. But after AI, the bottleneck moves. The bottleneck becomes like, can we trust this change? Can we test it? Can we deploy it safely? Can we detect failure quickly? Or can we roll it back without panic? So that is DevOps after all these changes into AI. That is why AI actually amplifies the DevOps maturity. A mature team has versioned infrastructure, repeatable pipeline, strong tests, automated policy checks, useful telemetry, and clear ownership. For that team, AI is a leverage. If you are like a weak DevOps team, has manual approval, fragile environment, missing tests, unclear alerts, or tribal knowledge, for that team, AI becomes a faster way to create production risk. DevOps anywhere, it was not just like using Jenkins or Kubernetes, Terraform, or dashboards. These are tools. The real DevOps job is creating a system where the change can move quickly and safely. That means automation, feedback, collaboration, reliability, and highly secured, and learning from the production. AI does not remove that job. It raises the stake, because now if after AI creating all the code, this has become more important. Imagine like an AI agent adds a new checkout feature. It writes the code, updates the APIs, add a test, open a pull request. Great, super great, right? It did a lot of its part. But now real question begins here. Was the infrastructure limit updated? Was the payment failure patch tested? Was the feature flag configured? Will the alert catch a bad conversion drop? Can we roll it back only this feature when something goes wrong, or something else? So this is where DevOps matters now. So the point, as I said, the weak DevOps break that edge. The code is generated, but the environment is different. The test process, but the test data is fake. Even the test passes, the test data is fake. It's completely wrong, and the deployment succeeds, but the alert is noisy. The incident start, but nobody owns the service. These kind of problems, the rollbacks exist, but nobody has practiced this. AI can make the first step faster, while making every hidden weakness more expensive. Good DevOps in the AI era means the delivery system becomes stronger than code generator. Every change should pass through evidence. Tests are evidence, security scans are evidence, policy checks are evidence. Observability is an evidence. Progressive delivery is an evidence. Incident learning is an evidence. Without this evidence, AI speed is just confidence without like a deploy button, and you're just assuming stuff. The winning pattern is not AI instead of DevOps. It is an AI inside DevOps. AI can explain a failing build. AI can summarize a noisy incident. AI can suggest you a runbook step. AI can detect suspicious deployment patterns. AI can generate infrastructure template, and AI can help to build some platform that needs guardrail. Team still needs ownership. The release process still need control, right? So those things has to work together. This is why platform engineering becomes more important and not less. If every team uses AI differently, you get inconsistent pipeline and inconsistent risk. A good internal platform gives teams a golden path, like approved templates, a built-in security, standard deployment pattern, default observability, self-service environment where you can reduce tickets or people can do self-service. AI can help teams move faster, but platform keeps speed inside safe lane. When AI accelerates change, production becomes the truth faster. You need to know what has changed, when it has changed, or who or what changed it, and what happened after, right? Like log, metrics, tracers, events. The service ownerships are not optional. This has to be in place. The hard part of the governance without killing speed is like the answer is not more meetings. Answer is about automated guardrails, policy as a code like audit trails, approval rules based on risk, secret scanning, dependency checks. Use tools where you can have these kind of things in automation in place. Change records generated automatically. The goal is not to slow down developers. The goal is to make safe behavior. It's like a default path. The new DevOps engineer skill is not manually babysitting pipeline. It's over because AI can do a lot of stuff. But now the main work would be like it is designing systems where humans, automations, AI agent can collaborate safely. And DevOps engineer need to understand AI generated changes, agent permissions, release evidence, incident automation, cost control, rollback strategy. All those things are going to be the main job for DevOps engineer. The roles move up the stack, less button clicking, more system design. If your team wants to use AI without breaking production, ask 5 questions. Can every AI generated change be traced? Do tests prove behavior, not just syntax? Can the risky releases be progressive? Can the incident be detected and explained? Can we roll back? If the answer is no, you do not have an AI problem. You have like a DevOps maturity problem. So it's not an AI problem. You have to improve your DevOps maturity. So to answer you, DevOps is not dead. The weak version of DevOps is dying. The version that only meant scripting, tickets, manual approvals will not survive with AI speed. But real DevOps is becoming more valuable, because AI can generate changes, code, but DevOps makes those changes survivable. And in AI era, survivable change is the difference between shipping faster and failing faster. So here's the question for you. Is your DevOps system ready for AI speed? Let me know in the comment section.